my name is Kushagra and today we will be making fruit cream. So to make fruit cream we will be using cream. I am using Amol cream, you can use any edible cream. Strawberries, pomegranate, apples, banana and cashew. Cashew is optional and you cannot like cashew. You cannot like if you want you can use cashew and if you don't then don't. So first of all we'll put the cream. As you can see it's very thin and not that much thick. So I am using a electric beater to make it thick. Like in this cream there is thick and thin both, but so to mix them both together that's why I'm using a electric beater. As you can see there's a lot of cream. So to mix them both together I'm using an electric beater. If you don't have an electric beater at home, you can also use a whisk like this. I'll use it later. It's a bit like mixed properly. It's mixed. So now I'll just cut the banana. I'm cutting it very small so that it like big chunks will not be looking good in this, and also while eating it will come in your mouth a lot of times. So I'll just cut them into small pieces. And I've used knife several times, so I know how to use it properly. But if you are using it for the first time, take a help of an adult who knows how to use it. Okay, so there we have all a banana. Just few. Okay, now we will put the apples. The strawberries and the pomegranate. We'll add cashew later. Now I'll use my hand whisk to mix it. If you use an electric mixer this time, all of the fruits will crush down and it will become like a puree or something. Mix it thoroughly. So as you can see now it's ready. The color of the strawberry and has come on the cream and it's a bit pink. The color, that means it has properly been mixed. Now I'll use another bowl. I'll just give it a clean swipe. Now I'll put this all in this. Just a minute. Sometimes it can become messier also. And you can see my table and chopping board are like there's a lot of this fruit cream that has gone here and there. Now I'll put cashews on top. So this is how we make the fruit cream. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Also like this video if you like this recipe. And